Hey friends, this is Jamie Smith once again at Foliotek, and I want to talk to you about a new feature that we have added into Foliotek Presentation that will be accessible for any of our users that are currently associated with a school or an organization. If you are a user that just buys Foliotek Presentation separate from your organization, then you may not have access to this particular feature, but it'll be coming to you in the not too distant future. And that feature is communities. Basically, we've provided a new way for our users to share their portfolios. So instead of just sharing it publicly so that it's searchable to the world, or sharing it privately so the only people that can view it are users that you have shared with privately, we've created communities. So you can share inside of a community with only the other participants of that community. Let me show you how to do that. So in that top white bar, we now have a community drop down. I'll get to that in a second. But under the sharing tab, we've added in a third option. So we can send out the private invites, we can share publicly, and we can also share in a community now. So I choose share in community, and it takes me to this new publishing screen. We've actually combined all of our previous sharing components into one page. So I've got my community share here. If I want to share publicly, I click on that. Privately, click there. Dealing with a community share though right now, so I'm going to click on the big community tab or button. And this would allow me to share my portfolio in communities that I am a participant of. Because I'm with an organization, by default, I have a community that I'm a part of. If I'm not with an organization, as I said previously, you're not going to have access to communities just yet. So below, it shows me the community that I am a part of. I'm part of the TechState community. And if I want to share my portfolio inside of the TechState community, I click the Yes button here. That allows me to share inside of the community, or I click No, and that unshares my portfolio. So it's pretty simple. I've got my portfolio 01. I want to share it, click yes. Don't want to share it, click no. If my professor has created a community of their own, because professors have the ability to do that, they could provide me with a community invite code, and I could actually join a restricted community. That's just a community for my classroom or a small group or whatever that community is for. I could join that, and I could share my portfolio inside of that other community. So I can be a part of many, many, many communities. So let's go back to edit this portfolio, because that's the screen I was on initially. So again, if I want to share inside of community, I choose share in community. And now it takes me to the screen I was just at, and I have already shared. Now if I wanted to see details for this community, I click on the show details link there, and it shows me that 21 people have shared their portfolio and 54 people are actually participants in this community. If I want to view all the shared portfolios, I click on this link, and it takes me to all the portfolios of the other participants of this community who have shared their portfolio. And I could view any one of those if I wanted to. Let's go ahead and go back. I'm going to click Home. This will take me to my dashboard, or my home screen, which is a listing of all of my portfolios with some features on duplicating, previewing, and so on and so forth. And if I want to go back to edit the portfolio I was in, I click on that. The image of the portfolio, it takes me back in, and I can once again edit my portfolio just like before. I can also view all the communities from the Communities drop down. So there's two places to share. I can go Community, Share in Community, or Sharing, Share in Community. If I want to view all communities, I click Community, View All. It takes me into all the communities that I'm a part of. I'm only a part of one, so only one community is listed here. All right, this is Jamie Smith at Foliotek. Hope this is informative and helps you out. If you have any questions, as always, you can give us a ring, 888-365-4639, or email us at support@foliotek.com. Have a great day.